Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Dogecoin from Crypto.com to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this process is simpler than you might think, and I'll walk you through it step by step to help you avoid any common pitfalls. Why do this? Binance often has better trading options and lower fees, so moving your Dogecoin there can boost your crypto game. But remember, always handle your digital assets with care to prevent any losses. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need active accounts on both Crypto.com and Binance, with some Dogecoin in your Crypto.com wallet. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. It's 2025, and safety is key. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com account using your app or website. Head over to the Wallets section and select Dogecoin from your list of assets. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually right there. Now, for Step 2. You'll need the Dogecoin wallet address from Binance. Jump over to your Binance account, go to the Deposit section, select Dogecoin, and copy the provided wallet address. Make sure it's the correct one, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Back on Crypto.com, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer. Don't forget to check for any network fees, which can vary. Review everything carefully, then confirm the transaction. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the transfer to complete, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Binance and check your wallet to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. If you run into any issues, like a pending transaction, just give it time or contact support. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Dogecoin from Crypto.com to Binance in 2025. Always stay informed about the latest crypto updates, as platforms can change their interfaces. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.